Sabi niya, eh, dito na talaga magpapakita, Tariela, naengot ka talaga. Sabi mo, ako'y naniniwala talaga na kung narrative ko ay truthful at hindi misinformation, gusto mo akong umalis ng China at bumalik ng Maynila at humarap sa TRICOM. Anong logic? Anong logical connection doon? O, ikaw ang gumawa ng ganyang statement, Tariela. Hindi kita sinasabihang VO-VO ka. Pero, ano yung logical connection na kung totoo yung sinasabi, kailangan bumalik ng Pilipinas at tumarap sa TRICOM? Anong connect doon? Well, kung ikaw nagsasabi ka na false, dapat dahil sabi mo naman ay ikaw ay nagtapos ka naman ng PhD in International Relations kahit hindi naman. By the way, Tariela, hindi ako ang nagsabi na nagtapos ka ng PhD in International Relations. Sinabi mo yan under oath sa congressional hearing. Sabi mo, PhD in International Relations ang tinapos mo. Ngayon ang sabi ko, alam ko ang iyong PhD. Hindi ako nakikipaglaban sa isang tao na hindi ko alam ang background. Art of war, darling. Art of war. Again, Commodore Tariela. Art of war, do you know that? Have you read The Art of War? Okay. Ikaw ang nagsabi sa TRICOM na PhD in International Relations ang tinapos mo. Hindi naman pala, hindi yun ang PhD mo. So, ikaw ang nagsinungaling. Hindi ako. Ikaw ang nagsisinungaling kung ano ka. Hindi naman ako nagsisinungaling kung ano ako. Everything is out in the open. Pero ikaw, nagsinungaling ko doon. Sabi mo, nagtapos ka ng PhD in International Relations. Hindi ka naman nagtapos ng PhD in International Relations. So, ibig sabihin, ikaw ang sinungaling. Hello. Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Ito po ang inyong favorite ka-freshness, ka-moisture. Ano pa ba? Ka-cosmological woman? Kaututang dila? Nako naman, pinagtutulong-tulungan na ako ng mga lalaki. Ano ba to? Gangbang na ba to? Paki-share na po, click share mga ka-moisture. Naloloka na ako, pinagtutulungan na ako ng mga lalaki, mga kalalakihan. Ano ba to? Gangbang na ba? Sabihin nyo lang. Yung mga tumitira po sa akin, ang wish ko lang, sana nasasarapan kayo. Hello everyone, paki-share. Meron na naman nakisali sa gangbang. Paki-share po, Bukaki. Ano yung Bukaki, Nico? Bata pa ako. Anyway, paki-share. Diyos ko, meron na naman tayong susoplahin. Oo. So, paki-share po. Ewan ko sa mga lalaking to. Pinagtutulong-tulungan ako. Ako na lang ba kaya nyo? Well, kaya ko naman kayong lahat pagsabay-sabayin. Pero kaya ba kaya nyo? My God, wala na kayong... Hindi ba kalalaking yung tao? Ako lang yung kaya nyo. Ako lang ang makakapagpatumba sa inyong lahat. Well, kaya ko naman kayong pagsabay-sabayin. No? Yun nga lang, ang wish ko lang sa tinitira nyo ako, sana nasasarapan kayo. Well, nakakaloka naman kung tinitira nyo ako tapos hindi kayo nasasarapan, hindi ba? Kayo na nga ang tumitira, hindi pa kayo nasasarapan. Eh kung hindi kayo nasasarapan, na kayong tumitira sa akin, di balik na tayo. Tuwad. O, paki-share na po, ganyan. Nakakaloka, grabe. I cannot believe. Well, I can't believe it dahil my milkshake brings all the boys in the yard. Yung po ang ating team so ngayon, my milkshake brings all the boys in the yard. Kakatapos lang ni Adjong, may next na naman. Para kung si Kuratsa, ang babaeng walang pahinga. Okay, so, pakiclick na ang share dahil nakakatawa to. I swear. Okay. Okay, ito ay galing kay Jay Tariela. Kasi di ba pinost ko yung US visa ko. For some weird thing, nag-reply siya dun sa US visa ko. Bakit? Tapos ito yung reply niya. Ano to 2 screenshots. So babasahin natin. Sa kasi nga very, very dignified siya kunyari, ganyan. So sabi ni Jay Tariela, si Jay Tariela po, ang Philippine Coast Guard spokesperson on WPS. Okay. Sabi niya, Alan Troy Rogando Sasa, This is the last time I will engage with someone like you. Ay, kanta yun ha. Kanta yan, very Adele. Who spreads fake news. I do not participate in gutter-level conversations. Don't pretend that your academic credentials can cover up your lies or that the bits of information you have gathered about my life are accurate because you heard them from others. Ano kaya yon? Na nag-cheat ka sa PMA? Balita naman yun ah. Balita naman yun sa Philippine Star ah. O, di sabihin mo, Philippine Star ba galing? Di ba Philippine Star yon? O, di sabihin mo sa Philippine Star na fake news sila. Bakit ako? Okay. Tapos, ano pa dun sabi niya? Sandali nga. Wait lang. Sandala. Diyos me, ito si Tariela. Okay. Sabi niya, this is what you're good at. You excel at claiming the truth based on rumors, fanning them into larger falsehood, and then gaslighting those who challenge you. You have a talent for misleading people through lies, misinformation, and slander. I do not claim to be an expert in international law, nor do I feel the need to showcase my academic credentials to you, because you don't have any. You don't really feel the need to showcase your academic credentials to me because you don't have any. Mahirap yon, Tariela. So what truly concerns me is the significant increase of awareness among the Filipino people about our ongoing struggle in the West Philippine Sea. If I were truly as slow, dumb, and uninformed as you suggest, I would not have been able to contribute to such impact or provoke the anger of pro-China trolls like you. Actually, we are angry at you because you are dumb. You're an idiot and you don't know anything. Ikaw naman yung sabi, wala kang alam sa international law. So talaga magagalit yung alam sa international law sa'yo. Anyway, tuloy muna natin. Mamaya tayo mag-react. Masyado kasi ang bibig ko, parang ano kasi ang bibig ko ngayon, parang Armalite. Pasmado masyado. Okay. The next one, okay, ito na yung kasunod. Okay, ultimately, I'm indifferent to whether you consider yourself the smartest person in the world or if you believe you surpass me intellectually. Well, hindi ko naman sinasabi na I consider myself as the smartest person in the world. Sabi mo, if you believe you surpass me intellectually, well, our academic records speak for themselves. Academic freedom should never be a justification for deception, misinformation, or the dissemination of falsehood. However, you might not grasp this, given that you're pursuing a PhD in a country devoid of true academic freedom, one where scholars must adhere to Xi Jinping thought or face censorship or even worse, imprisonment. But if you truly believe in your narrative as truthful rather than misinformation, then I urge you to leave China and return to Manila to participate in the TRICOM hearing at House of Representatives. Unahin na natin yung pinakadulo niya. Sabi niya, kung ako daw talagang naniniwala ng aking narrative ay truthful at hindi misinformation, dapat daw humirap ako sa TRICOM. Bakit? TRICOM ba ang hukom kung ano ang totoo at hindi? Parang hindi naman, Tariela. Doon muna tayo Sabi niya, dito na talaga magpapakita, Tariela, naengot ka talaga. Sabi mo, kung ako'y naniniwala talaga na kung narrative ko ay truthful at hindi misinformation, gusto mo akong umalis ng China at bumalik ng Maynila at humarap sa TRICOM. Anong logic? Anong logical connection doon? Ikaw ang gumawa ng ganyang statement, Tariela. Hindi kita sinasabihang VO ka. Pero, ano yung logical connection na kung totoo yung sinasabi, kailangan bumalik ng Pilipinas at tumarap sa TRICOM? Anong connect doon? Well, kung ikaw nagsasabi ka na false, dapat dahil sabi mo naman ay ikaw ay nagtapos ka naman ng PhD in International Relations kahit hindi naman. By the way, Tariela, hindi ako ang nagsabi na nagtapos ka ng PhD in International Relations. Sinabi mo yan under oath sa congressional hearing. Sabi mo, PhD in International Relations ang tinapos mo. Ngayon ang sabi ko, alam ko ang iyong PhD. Hindi ako nakikipaglaban sa isang tao na hindi ko alam ang background. Art of War, darling. Art of War. Again, Commodore Tariela. Art of War, do you know that? Have you read The Art of War? Okay. Ikaw ang nagsabi sa TRICOM na PhD in International Relations ang tinapos mo. Hindi naman pala, hindi yun ang PhD mo. So, ikaw ang nagsinungaling. Hindi ako. Ikaw ang nagsisinungaling kung ano ka. Hindi naman ako nagsisinungaling kung ano ako. Everything is out in the open. Pero ikaw, nagsinungaling ko doon. Sabi mo, nagtapos ka ng PhD in International Relations. Hindi ka naman nagtapos ng PhD in International Relations. So, ibig sabihin, ikaw ang sinungaling. Kasabi mo, sa logic mo, kung ako ay naniniwala na ang narrative ko ay truthful at hindi misinformation, kailangan ko umalis ng China at bumalik ng Manila at humarap sa TRICOM. Dude, that doesn't make any sense. Truth doesn't need traveling. Whether a statement is true or not, it doesn't need traveling. It doesn't need to be presented before the TRICOM, especially if the TRICOM doesn't even know what I'm going to talk about. And why would I present to them when they are not even qualified to evaluate my point of view? Nakita mo ba yung TRICOM? I know their background. So, how stupid are you? Halimbawa, ikaw ay physicist. Will you present your findings before the TRICOM? Kung pwede pa ganun ba yun? Hindi ganun yung Traliela. So, wala kang logic doon. And secondly, kayo ang may kailangan sa akin. Kung kayo may kailangan sa akin, kayo magmakaawa. Kayo ang gumawa ng paraan para kunin ako. Kung kailangan nyo talaga ako. Pero kung hindi nyo ako kailangan, nag-aaksay lang kayo ng panahon, ina-aksay nyo lang ang pera ng taong bayan. Tama? Ganun lang yun. You know, Tariela, if you believe that what I'm saying is misinformation and not truthful, then you can always use freedom of speech in order to counter it, which you might be doing already. So bakit kailangan kumuha ka pa ng resback? Kalalaki mong tao, kailangan mo ng resback. Kalalaki mong tao, Tariela, kailangan mo ng resback dahil nasopla ka ng akla? Again, truth doesn't need traveling. Okay? Kung ikaw, Tariela, naniniwala ka na misinformation yung sinasabi ko, o di magsulat ka. I-substantiate mo yung aking mga sinasabi about international law. Pwede naman tayo magdebate. Kaso nga lang, ikaw na nga nagsabi. Wala kang alam sa international law dahil hindi ka naman nag-aral ng international law. So, paano mo nga masasabi na yung sinasabi ko misinformation? O di ikaw ang engot. Tama. Okay, next. Ito yung pinakabongga. Siyempre si Tariela, ito na naman yung kanyang paranoia, no? Paranoia. Sabi niya, hindi ko pa daw nag-grasp. Sabi niya, hindi ko pa daw nag-grasp na sabi niya, nagpo-pursue daw ako ng PhD sa isang bansang devoid of academic freedom. Dito daw ang scholars kailangan daw mag-a-adhere sa Xi Jinping thought or face on censorship or even worse, or imprisonment. So, ibig sabihin ni Tariela dito, pinamumukha niya na ang mga university sa China ay sumasamba lang kay Xi Jinping na kailangan mag-a-adhere ka sa Xi Jinping thought or you will face censorship or even worse, imprisonment. Tariela, tanungin mo yung anak ni Justice Carpio kung totoo yan. Kasi yung anak ni Justice Carpio, professor dito, sa kung saan ako nag-aaral. Anak ni Justice Carpio, mga 12 years na. 12 years na ba? Sandali, titingnan ko. Titingnan ko, fact check ko kung ilang years nang nagtuturo dito yung anak ni Justice Carpio. Wait a second. Okay. Anak ni Justice Carpio, dito nagtuturo kung saan ako nag-aaral. Okay? Okay. Okay, tingnan natin kung kailan ba nagsimula dito yung anak ni Justice Carpio. Since 2012, nagtuturo dito yung isa sa mga anak ni Justice Carpio. 2025 na. So, 2025 minus 2012, 13 years. So, 13 years nang nagtuturo dito yung anak ni Justice Carpio, Tariela. Kung totoo yung sinasabi mo, Bakit ayaw umalis dito ng anak ni Justice Carpio? Ulitin ko. Ulitin ko. Yung anak ni Justice Carpio, professor dito. Same university. Can you imagine? What kind of small world? Anak ni Justice Carpio, professor dito sa university na to. Since 2012. Ngayon, kung totoo yung sinasabi mo na walang academic freedom dito at ikaw ay inaapi yung mga scholars dito, kailangan sumumba kay Xi Jinping, di tanungin mo yung anak ni Justice Carpio, bakit siya nandito pa rin since 2012? Mali ka na naman, Tariela, engot-engot ka kasi. Ganyan talaga pag cheater. Okay, ngayon, ano masama yung Xi Jinping thought? Ano ba yung Xi Jinping thought? Sige. Available naman in public kung ano yung Xi Jinping thought eh. Tingnan natin. Xi Jinping thought. Xi Jinping thought. May nasa Wikipedia na nga yung Xi Jinping thought. Okay. Ano ang Xi Jinping thought? Para, kasi naman to si Tariela, gamit ng gamit. Alam mo, Tariela, wait lang. Alam mo, Tariela, ang isa sa feedback sa PhD mo, hindi ka marunong gumamit ng mga terms. And it shows. Dahil hindi mo raw parang pinagbabalik-baliktad mo. Okay, ano ba yung Xi Jinping thought? Available naman yung Xi Jinping thought sa public. Nasa Wikipedia na nga. Ganun siya ka-public. Okay, ano ba yung Xi Jinping thought? Okay. It's socialism with Chinese characteristic for a new era. So, ayan. So, ito yung kanyang doktrina. Kasi nga, sa Communist Party, nagre-revise sila ng doktrina. Hindi yan madalas, pero ang mga naging revision yan, nag-umpisa yan from Marxism-Leninism, tapos nagkaroon ng extension, nagkaroon ng Mao Zedong thought, nagkaroon ng Deng Xiaoping theory, tapos three represents, tapos scientific outlook on development. Okay, ito na ngayon yung sinasabi nilang Xi Jinping thought. Ano ba yung Xi Jinping thought? Okay, let's see. Okay, ito ang sabi niya. First of all, socialism with Chinese characteristics is socialism, not any other ism. Okay. The guiding principles of scientific socialism thus cannot be abandoned. Our party has always emphasized adherence to the basic principles of scientific socialism, but adapted to the particular conditions of China. Okay. Asa na yan? Conditions of China. This means that socialism with Chinese characteristics is socialism, not some other doctrine. It was Marxism, Leninism, and Mao Zedong thought that guided the Chinese people out of the long night and established a new China, and it was socialism with Chinese characteristics that led to the rapid development of China. Kahit naman hindi ako pumunta dito ng China, nag-agree ako. Alam mo kung bakit? Alam mo kung bakit ako nag-agree, Tariela? Kasi nag-aral ako ng International Relations of China sa UCLA. UCLA! Sa Amerika! Tariela! Amerika! UCLA! At doon ako, sabi ko, ay, bongga palang ginawa ng China. Ang professor ko pa noon, Russian. Sa UCLA. University of California, Los Angeles. Nag-aral ako doon ng International Relations of China. Kaya ako pumunta dito, ay nag-agree naman ako na talagang nakabuti yung socialism sa China. So, ano kailangan? Bakit ako masisensor? Anong sisensor sa akin? Anong sasabihin ko? Anyway, next. Okay, according to Xi, the consolidation and development of the socialist system will require its own long period of history. It will require the tireless struggle of generations, up to 10 generations. Okay, so ito yung Xi Jinping thought na sinasabi niya. Okay, so ano naman ngayon yan? She said that Marx and Engels' analysis of the basic contradictions in capitalist society is not outdated. Correct! I agree. Kasi pinag-aralan ko yung Marxism, kaya nag-a-agree ako. Nor is the historical materialist view that capitalism is bound to die out and socialism is bound to win. Correct! Nag-a-agree uli ako. Hindi ako nag-a-agree because I'm a socialist, Ariela. I'm a scientific socialist. Okay. She also stated the fundamental reason why some of our comrades have weak ideals and faltering belief is that their views lack of a firm grounding in historical materialism. Ewan ko lang sa'yo, Tariela, kung naiintindihan mo historical materialism. Kasi, wala ka namang, mapuro yung utak mo. So, pag-usapang pang matalino to, Tariela. Okay, ito yung ni Xi kung bakit nag-disintegrate yung Soviet Union. Why did the Soviet Union disintegrate? Why did the Communist Party of the Soviet Union fall from power? An important reason was that the struggle in the field of ideology was extremely intense, completely negating the history of the Soviet Union, negating the history of the Communist Party of the Soviet Union, negating Lenin, negating Stalin, creating historical nihilism and confused thinking. Party organs at all levels had lost their function. The military was no longer under party leadership. In the end, the Communist Party of the Soviet Union, a great party, was scattered. The Soviet Union, a great socialist country, disintegrated. This is a cautionary tale. I agree again. So naman, I agree. Bakit? Pinag-aralan ko nga to, no? Pinag-aralan ko sa international relations kung bago pa sabihin bago ko pumalaman yung Xi Jinping tot na sinasabi mo, nag-agree naman ako. Wala nang objection masyado, no? Okay. Sabi ni Xi Jinping, so Xi Jinping thought, socialism with Chinese characteristic is the dialectical unity of the theoretical logic of scientific socialism and the historical logic of China's social development. It is a scientific socialism rooted in China's soil, one that reflects the aspiration of the Chinese people and one that is adapted to the conditions of progress in our time. It is the only way to comprehensively build a prosperous society, accelerate socialist modernization, and realize the great rejuvenation of the Chinese nation. Usapang pang matalino na naman to, Tariela. I'm not really sure, Tariela, kung naiintindihan mong ibig sabihin ng dialectical unity of the theoretical logic of scientific socialism. Palalakihin natin, ha. Again, Tariela, I really don't think, Tariela, na kaya ng utak mong abutin ang ibig sabihin ng dialectical unity of the theoretical logic of scientific socialism. Of scientific socialism. Okay, ano ba bang nilalaman ng Xi Jinping thought? Okay, content. Ayan na, content. Ganyan, 10 affirmations. Okay. At naging 14. Okay. So, ensuring Communist Party of China leadership over all forms of work in China. The Communist Party of China should take a people-centric approach. Wait, sandali lang, hindi ko to alam. Hindi ko kasi nababasa talaga ang Xi Jinping thought, no? Ngayon ko nga lang nalaman to kay Tariela, itong Xi Jinping. Okay, so, okay, 14 commitments under Xi Jinping thought. The Communist Party of China should take a people-centric approach for the public interest. Para namang masama ba to? Inom nga muna ako ng Coke. Wait, masama pa yan? The Communist Party of China should take a people-centric approach for the public interest. Wow, napaka-evil naman pala ng Xi Jinping thought. Okay, next. The continuation of comprehensive deepening of reforms. Adopting new science-based ideas for innovative, coordinated, green, open, and shared development. Science-based ideas, Tariela. I don't think you know anything about science. Okay, next. Following socialism with Chinese characteristics, with people as masters of the country. Wow! Ito pala ang Xi Jinping thought. Okay, governing China with the rule of law, practice socialist core values, including Marxism, Leninism, and socialism with Chinese characteristics. Ano ba ang socialist core values? Okay, ano ba ang core values ng socialism? Prosperity, democracy, civility, harmony, freedom, equality, justice, and the rule of law, and the individual values of patriotism, dedication, integrity, and friendship. In fairness. Okay, ano bang next? Coexist well with nature. Ano ba naman tong Xi Jinping thought na to? I was expecting something evil. Can you imagine? Number 9, commitment ng Xi Jinping thought. Coexist well with nature? With energy conservation and environmental protection policies and contribute to global ecological safety. Strengthen the national security of China. The Communist Party should have absolute leadership over China's People's Liberation Army, promoting the one country, two system, establish common destiny for... Ang corny naman ito. Diyos ko naman. Akala ko naman something evil naman to. Okay. So, 6 must. May 6 must palang Xi Jinping thought. First must. Must put the people first. Ano pa yan? Must put the people first. Must be self-confident and independent. Must uphold the principle of integrity and innovation. Payan. Must be problem-oriented. Payan. Must adhere to systematic approach. Must have a global vision. Ang dami-dami naman. Ito pa, may mga ganto-ganto pa si Xi Jinping to. Ano ba naman? Ano ba naman yung Uncle Xi? Oh, may Xi Jinping thought on culture. Okay, ano ba yung culture? Promoting exchanges and mutual learning among civilization. Ano ba to? Naghahanap ako ng something evil. Nakinamumuhi ng budhini. Nakinamumuhi ng budhini ni Tariela. Ba yan? Ay, nakakapagod. So, ano pinagsasabi mo, Tariela? Nililecturean mo pa ako. Wala ka naman alam sa mundo, Tariela. Nag-cheat ka nga eh. You have no right. You have no moral ascendancy. You were a cheater. PMA, nasa balita yan. Hanapin natin yung balita Hindi ako nagsabi niyan, Tariela, balita yan. J. Tariela, PMA. Cheating. Okay. 2004. Ito, Diyos ko, napunta pa pala to sa 2004, Courthouse PMA probe on cheating. A regional trial court has restrained the Philippine Military Academy from continuing its investigation of 8 graduating cadets for alleged cheating. Okay, sino-sino ba yan? But in their suit, the 8 cadets, Abanila, Diciano, Bernardo Huerte, Jerome Losada, Mohar, Jonathan Cerote, J. Tariela, said they were deprived of their constitutional right to due process. Dinemanda mo pala yung PMA nung inimbestagahan ka ng cheating. Dinemanda mo pala. Due process. Okay. Okay. Hindi naman ako nagsabi. Talaga namang may cheating. Kung hindi ka nag-cheat, bakit may investigation? Ayan ang sabi ni Jovelyn Hermano, Management Information Science. Kaya pala wala kang alam sa science kasi Professor Jovelyn Hermano accused them of violating the honor code by allegedly cheating in her class. Sabi daw, mere suspicion lang daw yun. Sabi nila Tariela, since some of their answers to an exam Hermano gave them were similar to those in another class. Alam mo, pag similar yan, cheating yun. Anyway, Arevalo said a cadet found to have violated the honor code has 2 options. Resign as part of a gentleman's agreement or stay in the academy but suffer less respect for not upholding the code. Okay. So, hindi ba ako magsabi yan? So, and I never just heard it from someone. I heard it someone higher than you. So, hindi ko kasalanan yun, Tariela. It's not my fault that your background is out there. Okay, so ngayon, yun ang sinasabi ni Tariela, na Xi Jinping thought. I don't understand anong problema. Bakit niya ako nililecturean ng kung anong patakaran dito sa China? Wala naman sa China. Hindi naman siya ever nag-aral dito sa China. And I don't think that you will ever be able to set foot in China. Huwag mo sabihin ayaw mo, be. Lahat ng gamit mo sa bahay made in China. Anyway, pabigyan ko lang kayo ng ng something, some sort of a background on what I'm actually doing. Ewan ko, paano naman to papasok sa Xi Jinping to? Well, hindi naman to maiintindihan ni Tariela kasi wala naman siyang alam sa science. So, ito, halimbawa ito. Tanggalin ko lang ito. Okay, now. So, halimbawa ito. And this is just this is very, very, okay. So, this formula, I developed this formula because it is part of my theory, my method. So, I don't know kung paano ito. Ewan ko kung naiintindihan kaya ito ni Tariela. Naintindihan mo kaya yan, Tariela? Naintindihan mo to? Ito ginawa ko yan. I developed this, I derived this after some experiments. So I derived this formula in order to test it, to demonstrate it. So I don't tutorial ako, naintindihan mo yan. I don't expect you to understand it because hindi, ewan ko. So, ayun na nga. So, Tariela, nagmamakaawa ka na bumalik ako ng Pilipinas. Kawawa ka naman. Kasi hindi mo kayang makipagdiskurso. Kaya kailangan mo ng backup. Kailangan mo yung tatakot dun sa tao na pag ayaw magsalita ng tao na tatanggapin ng mga corrupt na congressman, ikukulong nila. Gusto mo yung mga ganyan. Wait, hindi ba parang ano yan? Yan ata yung totoong yan ata yung totoong lacking academic freedom. Yung pag ayaw ng TRICOM yung sagot mo, iti-threaten ka nila ng contempt. Yan ang walang freedom. Tariela. Anyway, J. Tariela, ito naman sasabi ko sa'yo. Sabi mo, hindi ayaw mo doon ng gutter talk, ganyan. Alam mo, Tariela, humarap ka sa salamin. That is the gutter, and now talk. Thank you so much, everyone, and have a good night.